Greetings, map makers. I'm going to show you how to create a Google map, put some markers on there, and add a photo to those markers. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Gmail and go up to this little grid up here of squares. Click here and find Google Maps. Click on Google Maps. Go up to this little menu at the top left. It's called a hamburger for obvious reasons. And then we're going to click there. Go down to Your Places. Once we get to Your Places, Maps, and down at the bottom, Create Map. Okay, I want to find Saskatchewan on the map, which you see I'm going to click, hold, and drag. I know it's in Canada. It's a province in Canada. I'm going to zoom in a bit on it, about like this. Here, so what I'm going to do is put I know the capital is Regina, so I want to put a marker on Regina. So I'm going to click Add Marker here. And I'm going to call it Regina. And it's the capital of Saskatchewan. Is that capital with an O or an A? I don't remember right now, but I'll check later. Check with your teacher on that. Okay, I've saved that. Now I also want to highlight this so that this Saskatchewan stands out. And I chose Saskatchewan because it's more or less rectangular. So I'm going to click on Draw a Line. And I'm going to just put a few points on it. Like this. You would need many more points if you were to pick a more irregular shaped state or country or province. There we go. I'm going to label this Saskatchewan and save it. And I'm going to fill it in with a color. I'm going to pick a little bit darker green than the light green that's behind it. There. And this I can do the transparency and make it darker, lighter. I can also make the border width a little bit thicker to make it stand out. There we go. We'll say that's good. I'm going to close that. Now I want to put a picture here on Saskatchewan, Regina that is. So what I'm going to do here is go over to Google search for images. And I'm going to type in Regina, Saskatchewan. Here it is right here. So it brings up all these images, but I also want to be careful of copyright. So I'm going to go over here to Tools, Usage Rights. I only want to sort through images that are labeled for reuse that I can use. I can also use with modification to further refine my search. But I'm just going to say label for reuse, that it's legal to use these images. And I'm going to go here to this one that shows downtown Regina. And I'm going to right click on it just to make it easy and save image as. And then wait while my computer spins. This is a Mac, so right clicking may look different on your computer. So I'm going to save the image to my desktop. I'm going to go back to my map. I'm going to click on Regina, the marker I made, and then this little photo icon right here. And now I'm going to just drag the photo. Oops, let me move this out of the way. The photo of Saskatchewan that I saved to my desktop. There it is right there. Drug it right in the middle. And there it is. And now I'm going to click on Save the images. Notice here, if I clicked on this pencil, I can further refine the edit and say this is the skyline of Regina, Saskatchewan, and not worry about the spelling of capital. So save. There we go. And then my untitled map, I'm going to make it call it Regina. I can add a description. Save. Now if I want to share this with my professor, I click on share. I've got my link here. I type in the name of my professor here and click on send, and she gets the link. Notice here who has access. Sorry, I should have changed this. I'm going to change this to be on Agnes Scott. Anyone at Agnes Scott can view it, not edit. Save, and that's it. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not going to send this out. So there we have it. That's the quick, down and dirty how to create a map in Google Maps.